When I think about the manufacturing industry today, I think that industry is facing increased pressures to automate and find efficiencies inside their pre-existing business processes.
When we engage with our clients, we look to understand their business as it stands today and where they want to go in the future. Putting in a backbone of a great ERP system really gives you a leg up in being able to take that next step into the next generation way of doing manufacturing.
J&D Manufacturing is a manufacturing company based in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, and we manufacture ventilation and agricultural equipment. Previously, we were using AX 2012. We decided to go to a cloud-based solution, and that's when we turned to Stoneridge.
J&D's initial goals on the project were really to right-size their ERP application. So we did an evaluation with them, looking at their requirements. We had to really understand what components were they using, what components did they need in a new system.
We identified that Dynamics 365 Business Central was the right fit for the client going forward.
The consultants that they sent out were fabulous. They were very intelligent. They asked good questions. They really understood our process.
We leverage our proven process to align with the client up front. We're there post-go live to provide them with ongoing support.
Our consultants have been fabulous to work with. They're always a phone call away or an email away. We're using financials, we are using the production control, we're doing warehousing, we're doing shipping, and we've even integrated our EDI system with it. So really it's a product from beginning to end for our company.
You look at where Business Central was, or even ERP applications were 5 or 10 years ago, it's a dramatic change.
A lot of our competitors, they run 12-week lead times, 14-week lead times. We don't. We run 10 days or under. And that really sets us apart in the agricultural industry. I need to know inventory. I need to know what is running on my production lines immediately. A solution like Business Central gives me those insights.
For J&D Manufacturing going forward, we'll provide day-to-day support for Business Central. That could be things like ongoing training, report development, assisting with additional third-party products as they choose to extend their use of the application.
It's very important, I feel, to work with experts because you are looking at them to help guide your decision-making process. You want your business to succeed, and you're looking for people to help you do that. I know with Stoneridge, we're going to get that customer service. We're going to get that support.